Good morning, children. Today, for our English literature class, I have taken workbook, worksheet number 4. The title of the chapter is Old Mr. Haldar and Shahanshah. Old Mr. Haldar and Shahanshah. It is a link lesson from the chapter My Father Meets a Lion. So please, all of you take page number 25. Page number 25. Page 25. Now let us read the story today. Then afterwards I will explain to you. Old Mr. Haldar and Shahanshah. Shahanshah is very moody and he is the talk of the neighborhood. Just yesterday, he butted old Mr. Haldar while he was choosing vegetables at Baburam's shop. The poor man got hurt and needed a week's rest. It was not Mr. Haldar's fault at all, but Shahanshah thought he was getting between him and the vegetables. By the way, I forgot to tell you who Shahanshah is. He is a new addition to our locality and appeared about a month ago. He is a huge bull with carved horns. One fine day, he stood at Mr. Ganguly's grocery store and started bellowing loudly. Nobody dared to enter or leave the store. At last, Mr. Ganguly had to offer Shahanshah a bag full of wheat husk. Shahanshah had the husk like a king and went to Baburam's shop. Baburam was quicker than Mr. Ganguly and immediately offered Shahanshah some cauliflower and cabbage leaves. Sometimes Shahanshah was seen at Somu's sweet shop, satisfying his sweet tooth. This almost became a routine. If the market road was crowded, he would bellow and push people out of his way. People gave way for him to pass through. The shopkeepers named him Shahanshah for his royal and moody behavior. Please turn the page. Mr. Haldar recovered in a week and was seen back at the market. This was also the time around which Shahanshah usually appeared in the market. All of a sudden, Mr. Haldar and Shahanshah came face to face. Mr. Haldar quickly put his hand inside his shopping bag. Very swiftly, he took out an air pressure horn like the ones we see on rickshaws, only bigger. He quickly squeezed the bellow. The horn made a loud booming sound. How Shahanshah froze in fright. He let out a few snorts and grunts, backed off, turned around and left in a hurry. Nobody has seen Shahanshah since then. So, dear children, it is a story of a big bull called Shahanshah. So this particular Shahanshah used to be in the market every day, and it was like a boss. See, we have seen the bulls on the road. They don't move away from the road. They just walk. They just walk gloriously, slowly, without caring anyone. So, in like that, this particular Shahanshah was. So, what had happened to this particular Haldar? This Haldar was in the market. He was thoroughly hit by this particular Shahanshah, this particular bull, and he had to take a rest. So, like this particular Shahanshah was doing in the market. So, dear children, I will continue again this particular lesson. Now I here wind up my class. Thank you very much for attending the class.